Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Many of you own the Opgress adjustable safety razor. Fantastic razor, excellent shaving. It gives you the variety, the ability to adjust the blade reveal to your beard growth on any given day, which is really nice. And it comes in two versions, the standard and the long handle, either way. But some do not like the unsightly knob at the bottom, the yellow plastic knob. So, yep, I said knob, that's right. Stop laughing in the UK. We now have a quick, easy solution. It's called the Opgress Replacement Knob for the Opgress razor. Comes in highly polished brass or highly polished chrome. There's a look at both of them right there. And I've already installed them on these two razors, these Opgress razors, so you can have a look at it that way. Here's the brass down at the bottom, you can see it. And then here's the highly polished chrome right here. Brass right there. Let's turn it this way for a better look. Brass, chrome. Very nice looking. It really tricks it out and does away with the unsightly yellow knob that many of us dislike. And another cool thing about it, we also now have a wonderful stand to hold up your Opgress razor. It's highly polished chrome with a pin that protrudes right out of the middle, and it will accept now with this modification the brass right there, or the chrome, or your Merkur 34C also fits nicely over it, and the Merkur 37C slant bar also fits over it nicely. And the Rex Ambassador will also work on it. A very small footprint on your bathroom sink and highly polished except for my fingerprints on there. The brass really sets off the chrome. It's a nice little contrast right there. Or, if you prefer, the highly polished chrome. It only took me a couple minutes to remove the Opgress knob and install the Opgress replacement knob. Very simple. I'll also make a short video demonstrating how to do that. We'll be selling these already made up with a knob installed, which I will do for you, or you can buy it separately and do it yourself. If you want to pick up any of these, the Opgress replacement knobs, or the razors with the Opgress knobs already installed, or the stand right here, just click down below the video where it says show more, and you'll see links right there where you can grab it, or go to shavenation.com, enter Opgress, O-P-G-R-E-S-S, in the search box and it will pop right up. Please do me a favor before I head out, smash that subscribe button down there, and then ring the bell up there, and then click all. So you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. I greatly appreciate that. That's what it's all about, sharing the love of wet shaving and spreading the word. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Now I'm going to put one of these razors to work. Get rid of this. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.